In this ParaCourse lesson, we want to make a wall with a polyline and then define a series of modules which are going to cover the wall. So in this example, you see that we can define different length for the module and number of those modules which is going to cover the walls. And then by using the Galapagos, we're going to optimize so we have, we will fully cover the walls with these different modules. You can see that we have the waist here, and then we're going to use the Galapagos to minimize the covering and use the solver to find the best results by running it. So this tutorial will help you to understand how to use numbers for defining the modules and also define the walls, and then define the fitness function, which is the minimum for the waist of the walls with these modules, and then optimize the results. And as you can see at the first step, we have lots of waste here. If I reinstate that, you can see that this section of the wall is not covered. And then by optimizing it, it's going to decrease the amount of waste to have minimum of the waste. As you can see here, we have number of the multiplication for each of those modules.